What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over the top stock that I'm currently watching and actively trading. So before I hop into the topic of this video, if you're new here, make sure to come over here and subscribe, guys. I'm at 223 subs, as you can see right here. But once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway to a random person. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and make sure to drop a comment on any of my videos letting me know that you're new, and you'll be entered into that giveaway. So without further ado, let's hop right into the topic of this video. So the top stock that I'm currently watching and actively trading is actually JNUG. And if a lot of you guys know, JNUG is an inverse ETF. It's a gold-based ETF. Its inverse is JDST. So pretty much what this means is that whenever one of these goes up, the other one goes down. And right now, guys, JDST is starting to consolidate and trend down a little bit. So this opens up opportunity for JNUG, right? And like I said, these are gold-based ETFs, and they trade based on how gold futures are performing. So if gold futures are doing well, JNUG is going to do well as well. But if gold futures are performing poorly, like they have recently, right, JDST is going to be the better play. So right now we see that gold futures are starting to consolidate a little bit over these past couple of days, right? So that opens up opportunity for JNUG, right? So if we hop right back to JNUG, we can see that just like gold futures, JNUG itself has actually been consolidating as well for the past couple of days. So if you have more of a risk tolerance as an investor, you can put money while it's consolidating if you have hopes that it's going to go up and if the technicals make sense to you. So me personally, I actually already took a $2,000 position in JNUG yesterday before market close, right about $13.15. So right now, I'm in the green with JNUG, even though it hasn't officially, confirmed that uptrend that we look for. But I'm not recommending anybody out there to do that, especially if you're a beginner investor. You should definitely wait until an uptrend is confirmed before you put money into it, because this better helps you understand how things really work. So I see tons of potential with JNUG, especially due to the consolidation, like I've mentioned, and it's actually getting closer to the EMA line, and the EMA line itself is actually starting to flatline, and you can see that it's starting to push, it's trying to push past the EMA line. So that's a very good indication of an uptrend coming, and we're keeping an eye closely on gold these next couple of days, because this is going to dictate how this performs. So if gold's price starts to go up, like I said, JNUG is going to start going up as well. And we can see that JNUG is actually at a support level at $13, $12. And if you played JNUG previously, like I did about a week or two ago, right, I made about $600 profit on JNUG. I played it from the same position that it's at right now. I waited till it crossed above this EMA line, right? I got in right about $13.40, and I rode it up to about $15.50 to $16, right? And I took my profit, and I took my profits right there because we saw a resistance level right around here. So I want to talk about that same pattern, and I see it happening again in JNUG. Like I said, resistance at 13, boom, up to $16. So that's where I'm looking to play JNUG. We're at $13 right now, the consolidation. I want to add more into this position right around $14.50, and I see myself playing this up to $16. And if we go from $13 or $13.20, let's say, up to about $16, that's 23% potential for profit. And if I average up, and let's say my average position becomes $14, from $14 to $16 is still about 13 to 15%. So that's what I'm looking at with JNUG right now, guys. Make sure to do your own due diligence, do your own research when it comes down to researching ETFs and stocks. Don't simply trade this based off of my opinion or anybody else's opinion. And that's the key to becoming a successful trader, guys, is understanding how to do all these things on your own. And that's what I'm trying to show you guys on this channel. So if you like the video, make sure to leave a comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Stas_Surfest_entrepreneurship. Link should be down below in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video.